Street lights hold their breath, clock hands aim like jets. Pages of the plan turn slow, engines in the chest say go. Marble for you, shoes on fire, elevator hums a quiet choir.
Calendar iron, focus tight, every small note forged into life.
Mirror of water across the lane, neon stitches over rain. Budget clean, patience paid, steps like drums in a victory parade. Doors won't open, I redraw the wall. Maps feel narrow, I widen it all. Together, if thunder asks for proof tonight, we sign the sky with steady flight.
Tight and hard runway, numbers bow to stride, headlights crown the river's tide. Tight and hard runway, oath in afterburn, shadows read the lesson, now we turn. From ground to gold we earn.
Keep the cadence, measure the breath, make the pressure, witness your depth. Office glow, blueprints bloom, ledger whispers harvest soon. Pages soaked in honest grind, still outside a fearless mind.
Harbor hush, ropes untied, wake draw silver under sky. Every mile a signed decree, discipline sets the water free.
Brass like sunrise, 808's a line, the wake writes cursive on the brine. Choir holds the horizon wide, the compass nod, proceed with pride. Count it, 1 for the long nights kept, 2 for the promises we never left. Together, 3 for the storms that trimmed our rain. 4, climb, find the flame.
Tight and hard runway,
Skyline to my eyes, runway pulls the city to rise.
tight and hard runway,
Signature near, pressure turns to millionaire. Not by luck, by daily care.
Whisper, keep time, keep time, keep time. Shout, make time, yours cross every line.
hold the bow, hold the bow,
Hold the vow,
lift it out, lift it out.
together we lift it now.
Tight and hard runway,
Engines sing the law, every fear reduced to straw.
tight and hard runway,
Decade in a night, habits built the right to fly.
street lights, exhale, dawn takes shape. We leave the doubt at the gate, write the date, underline the proof. Discipline becomes the rule. Discipline becomes the rule.
Street lights,